In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an ad campaign analytics view in Wrike. We'll walk through this together from inside your Wrike workspace, so go ahead and open Wrike in your browser. First, navigate to the folder or project where your ad campaign work is stored. This is typically an ad campaign or marketing folder, but it might have a slightly different name in your account. The important thing is that you're in the location where all your campaign tasks and projects live, because the analytics we set up will be based on this data. Once you're in that ad campaign area, look toward the top of the screen for the option that's highlighted in your interface. This is usually where Wrike shows different views, like table, board, Gantt, chart, or analytics. Click on the highlighted option that opens the analytics or insights section. From there, you'll see an option that mentions getting insights into work progress and team productivity. Click on that. This is Wrike's way of helping you quickly spin up a dashboard-style view so you can track how your ad campaigns are performing and how busy your team is. Next, you'll be prompted to give this new analytics view a name. In the field that's highlighted, type in a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it Ad Campaign Performance or Campaign Analytics Q1. Choose something that will make sense to you and your team later. Once you've typed in your title, click on the Create button. Wrike will now generate the analytics view for you. When the view loads, you'll see several highlighted controls or sections at the top of the screen. Click through each of these highlighted options in order. These are typically toggles or selectors that help refine what data you're looking at, such as the date range, the type of items included, or how the charts are grouped. Take a moment with each click to make sure it matches what you want to analyze. For example, you might want to limit it to active campaigns only, or to a specific time period. Once you've adjusted those initial options, look for the Design menu in the upper area of the Analytics view and click on Design. This is where you can control how your charts and widgets look and what information they show, so you can tailor the view for your ad campaigns instead of using a generic layout. Finally, click on Filters. This is a key step. Filters let you narrow the analytics to exactly what matters. Maybe only tasks with a certain status, campaigns owned by a particular team, or items tagged with specific ad platforms. Take advantage of filters to make sure the numbers and visuals you see are truly focused on your ad campaign performance and team productivity.